Hey, good morning. I am New York, a New York Straight Productions. A special day. The good show. It works, but you gotta work it. It's working right now. You heard? Right now, on the Sabbath, September 19, 2025. Getting ready to be another year for some certain people. Come fly with me, let's fly away. I'll take you to a place that's not so far away. Come fly with me, let's take off in the beautiful. Once I get you up there, where the air is beautified, starry-eyed, mesmerized. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so dear. You will hear angels cheer, 'cause we're together. Weatherwise, it's such a special day. Just say the words and we'll see the birds and all the others stray. It's perfect for a very special day, they say. So come fly with me. Pack up, let's fly away. Be around, man.